Hey guys, so it's the next day. I just got out in the shop waiting for that light to brighten up here. Gonna put the motor in today. We get that. Well, we got to get the turbo manifold off of it. Oh, there we go. We got to get the turbo manifold off the engine and get the engine up on the cherry picker over to the truck, motor in. I already got the mounts hooked up. Everything's ready to go. I just got to get that turbo and turbo manifold off. Let me get things set up. We'll get started. So there you have it, guys. I got the engine in by myself. It wasn't hard, but it wasn't easy. A little tricky. So I'm gonna go over this engine, what's in it, what we got going on with it, and what's the future plans of it. So let me turn you around here for a second. All right, so what we have here is a 2005 6-liter LQ4. Now, surprisingly enough, this LQ4 already had the Gen 4 pistons and rods in it. I'm not sure if that's what it come with originally, or has this motor's been rebuilt. If it's been rebuilt, they suck because it has super low oil pressure and the cam bearings came right out of it when I was pulling the old cam out. So we had new cam bearings knocked in, new rod and main bearings are in here. I went with a Mellon M295 HV oil pump. I got 799 heads, port and polished, along with dual valve springs from Texas Speed, hardened push rods from Texas Speed, and a 228R cam from Texas Speed. So I went with that setup. New lifters, lifter trays. I got new everything. All right, so this thing's been completely rebuilt. We are going to be having a power adder to this. If you haven't already seen it in another video, I have a Trick manifolds or Trick turbos manifold. It's their stainless steel cast manifold. I'll put a link up here showing the review on that, and also I'll put a link to that video down in the description. That manifold is going to be topped with a Pulsar S480 billet wheel turbo with a T6 exhaust side and a 1.32 AR. So there it is. I got some Snake Eater 1500 injectors, sheet metal intake manifold, 60 mil wastegate, 50 mil blow off, both from VS Racing. I got a B&M 3600 stall torque converter in front of a 480 two-wheel drive transmission that's going back in here because that's what was originally here. I think that's pretty much the rundown of this thing. So as of right now, that's what I'm gonna do for the night. I may continue this video tomorrow, I'm not sure, but if not, thanks for watching. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. God bless. Be safe. Peace.